Hello everyone, Johnny here. Today in this session we will try to discuss about reverse of an array elements without using predefined method reverse. Let us write the snippet. Let us take an array literal array name is A here, and I am trying to take 4 elements. In this the array name is A, and in this I am trying to print the length of it. We use a length predefined method here. We get in this way. We can also use predefined method reverse to print the list of array elements in reverse order. But the question is, we should not use this predefined reverse method. Now let us put this in the comments and let us write the code. Generally, if I want to print the values of like in a reverse order, like 5 4 3 2 1, we use for loop like 5 I minus minus console.log of I. So if we can see here 5 4 3 2 1 0, we got the reverse of an elements. In the same way, we need to print the array elements here. Can we use the same for loop to print out this array elements? Yes, see here we can write for loop here, and in this for loop we can take a snippet where it will try to calculate the length of it. So in this I am trying to write where I equals to a dot length. Generally length will try to print the value as 4 here, but array indexes starts from 0 1 2 3, so I am trying to take -1. So now the I value will be I equals to 3, that is the value of 78, and I am trying to write I greater than or equals to 0 because the array value starts from 0. We are trying to 8. Now I want to decrement these values. If I am trying to take plus here, it will try to perform an infinite loop and it will try to repeat this same condition. I am trying to write a of I. So generally the output of the snippet will be like 78, 56, 34 and 10. Now let us visualize how we got this snippet. In the first iteration, it will try to return like I value will be, let me put this in comments, I value will be a dot length -1, that is equals to 4 minus 1, that is equals to 3 here. So it is somewhat like for variable I equals to 3, I greater than 0, I minus minus. In the same way, if I want to access first element, we can write a of 0. In the same way, first it will try to pass, as based upon the execution it will try to check. First it is initialized and it will try to check the condition and it is true, so it will try to initialize here. So what will be the value here? A of 3, so the answer will be 78. So it will try to iterate in this way and it will try to print the list of array elements in a reverse order without using predefined method. Let us look into the presentation part of the snippet. We were trying to look about reverse of an array elements. We can use generally a reverse method. We should write in console.log so that it can echo this output. Next one, we have used without using the predefined method reverse. So here in the first iteration the value is 5, that is size 5 minus 1, that is equals to 4, that is we are trying to use a template literal here. First one is the array, that is the index values. Next one is the array index values, the variable value and the array index value. We call it as template literals, and we are trying to pass array of 4. So the element will be 56, next one is 4, next one is 32 and 10. It will try to iterate the values. So we have written the same thing. So the first element will be 4 here, that is element 4 is, sorry, the element 5 is, next one element 4 is, element 3 is, element 2 is, and the last one will be element 1 is. So it will try to print in this snippet in this way. So it will try to iterate the list of elements and print in the console part. If you have any queries on this, you can just drop us a mail or comment below this video. Thank you.